Hello and welcome back to our course Oracle APEX Beginner to Advanced. In this second chapter of our Oracle APEX series, we will learn how to create a free workspace. This is a crucial step for anyone starting with Oracle APEX. So let's get started. Open Google and search for Oracle APEX. Click on the first link to visit the Oracle APEX page. This is where our journey begins. On this landing page, you will see a Start for Free Today button. Take a moment to explore the page, check out the latest articles, and educate yourself with Oracle APEX articles. Now let's choose the right workspace option. Click Start for Free Today, and you will be presented with three choices: Free APEX Workspace, APEX on Cloud, and APEX on premises. We are going to option for the free APEX workspace right now, making it ideal for beginners. This option is straightforward and requires no dependency, making it ideal for beginners. So there are differences between these three options. Free APEX workspace, it's a user-friendly options and quick to set up, perfect for getting started without any hustle. APEX on premises, this is the setting up Oracle APEX in your own environment where you download and install softwares. We will skip this as of now. It involves more complex setup process. APEX on cloud, this option involves creating a free cloud structure first and then workspace within it. It's a bit more advanced and suitable for those who are looking to explore cloud-based functionality. Now there will be prompt to fill out a form for your workspace request. Enter your details including first and last name, email and workspace name of your choice. If your chosen workspace name is already taken, the system will notify you to choose another. Read and agree to the term and condition. This step is important to proceed with the workspace creation. Cross-verify your workspace ID. If it's already been occupied, please change this workspace ID and change it to new workspace ID. Once you received an email confirmation, it's time to activate your Oracle APEX workspace. Let's go through the setup process. Start by opening the official email. Here you will find a workspace username, environment URL, and link to create workspace. Click this URL and you will be taken to the Oracle APEX Workspace ID page. In this page, you will see Continue to Sign In button. Click this redirect you to new screen where you will set a new workspace password. Enter a password, confirm it, and then click the Change Password button. Your password will be set. You will be logged into your newly created workspace. Now you are in your Oracle APEX Workspace. Take a look around. Try changing how it looks and different themes. It's easy and fun to see how your workspace can look different. Then see what each button and tool does. Then a lot of you can do here, like making new things and organize your dashboard. Just click around and explore. Remember to log out and then log back into. This helps you to learn how to get in and out of your workspace quickly. Spend some time getting to know your workspace. It helps you when you start making your stuff, having fun looking around. Next, try to sign out and then back in to get the feel of the process. To sign in again, you need to go to your workspace ID from the email, your username, and the password you just set. After entering this detail on the login page, click Sign In. And to re-enter your workspace, now you are entered your workspace again. Once you are in your Oracle APEX workspace, let's spice it up. You can change the themes to whatever you like. It's both easy and fun. Explore the different options and functionality they offer. If you have extra time, read docs in Oracle community website. Can really help you to understand better. You will start to see how everything works. For now, just experiment and see what you find. In our next chapter, we will guide you on using this tool efficiently. See you in the next chapter where we will dive into Oracle APEX overview. We have got lots of exciting stuff to cover, so you don't want to miss it. See you in the next video. Meanwhile, you can also follow us on our social media handles Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. Thank you.